For Song of the Sea by Yishu Wang, in 50 by 64 cm, the special treatment for version 1 is electric diamonds, and we see that only on the fins of the mermaid. For version 2, we've got the electric diamonds on the fin of the mermaid, and then we're adding titanium onto all of the W code on the canvas. So all W's on canvas will have the titanium. And finally, for version 3 of Song of the Sea, we've got electric diamonds on the fin of the mermaid, titanium on all W's on the canvas, and then we're adding morganite onto all of the C's on the canvas, letter C. We add morganite, and that's what we see kind of shining and sparkling pink on the tails of the mermaids.